Rolling the Chevelle. Good old lady. Man, freeway driving. Woo-wee. Man, feels good riding this thing. All right, you guys, just closing out the night right here. Just wanted to take a quick moment to stop in the open parking lot and have you guys see what the Chevelle looks like, man. Official first day out on the freeway, and man, oh man, it drove great. A little high on the RPMs, but the 24s in the back help with that. 410 gears, I mean, not much else I could do with that, with the turbo 400. So I need that overdrive to help with the RPMs a little bit, but anyways, we're gonna make it do what it do. I am super excited about this build, you guys. The Good Guys show was amazing. I am tired. I am off like 2 hours of sleep, so hopefully you guys can see me at night here. I did get a new phone, so hopefully it's picking me up. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys what the car looked like at night. My girl is waiting over here for me. She is probably also tired too, so I don't want to be out here all night filming, but hopefully you guys like that nighttime shot of the car. It gives you a real good look of what the car looks like. So I appreciate all you guys, man. This build has meant so much to me. Today at the show was amazing. I had several people come up to me today, said that they follow me on YouTube, they wanted to come meet me and just chop it up a little bit, man. And just know, man, I really appreciate that a lot, like a ton. Just because I never get to see or meet any of you unless, you know, you guys come up to me at a show or anything like that, because you know, it's rare that we ever get to communicate in person like that. So I appreciate everybody that I met today and tell me how much you appreciate the channel, and shoot, maybe we'll cross paths again for sure. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Girl's probably ready to get home. I'm ready to get home, man. I'm about to go straight to the bed. But anyways, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, y'all. I'm out of here. One last look at it. Ooh-wee. Nighttime shot. I had to get right under those fluorescent lights. You know what it is. Yeah. All right, y'all. Definitely get in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you on the next one. All right, deuces.